All right, it's 10's day here. This is the old coil for player 2 of the 10's unit of our top 10 pinball machine. It is fried, and here's the wrapping. And it's a 24, let's see, where's it at? N24 600. So, from Marco Specialties, Chicago coin, 24 600. Let's take a look what a brand new one looks like. Put it in our top 10 pinball machine. Should be a quick and easy. Just solder 2 lugs. I think there's 2 screws that holds this coil into position on the score wheel reel. There we go. What does that look like? Old stock or what? Pretty simple. Let's install it. All right, new coil is all soldered in place, nice and snug. Let's go check it out from the front. All right, so we're at the front here of top 10. This 10's unit is the one that got the new coil. And if you don't know much about EMs, the very first one, usually, the very first 1's unit, they're dummies. Let me see if I can get in there and show you. You might not be able to see. It's just a fake piece of metal with a screen printed 0 on it, and most all of EMs don't ever change the single 1's unit. So this has always been at 0 because there's been no coil functioning here since I got it. So let's test it out. There one. All right, here we go. See if we get smoke. Oh yeah. Those test good.